Former Minneapolis police officer Thomas Lane will spend the next 3 years in prison for his role in the death of George Floyd. Lane was sentenced virtually today on second-degree charges for aiding and abetting manslaughter. This is part of a plea deal Lane had previously taken, which shortened the time he'd have to serve behind bars. Our Adam Duxter is live now with the latest you need to know from today's court proceedings. Adam.
Oh, Shayla, today's entire sentencing took less than 10 minutes. Much of what was set to happen already determined ahead of time when Thomas Lane took that plea deal and pleaded guilty to that second charge. And had he not, the presumptive sentence, meaning what's normal for charges like this, would have been anywhere from 41 to 57 months in prison. Instead, he'll serve that 36-month sentence at the same time as the 2.5-year sentence he's already serving for his federal conviction violating George Floyd's constitutional rights. Judge Peter Cahill says the shorter sentence is under the basis that Lane played a somewhat less significant role in Floyd's death, something Assistant Attorney General Matthew Frank acknowledged during today's hearing.
There were moments when Mr. Lane tried to change what was going on that day, initially trying to de-escalate the situation with Mr. Floyd and even calling attention to maybe some better way to handle it. Those are different than what the others at the scene did.
Now, in a moment following today's proceedings, there is confusion as to whether Lane would have to register as a predatory offender as a part of this sentencing. The state attorney general's office has confirmed that he will not have to.
Our Adam Duxter reporting. Thank you so much, Adam. The other officers with Lane that day, J. Alexander King and Tu Tao, are scheduled to go on trial next month in their state case. Derek Chauvin is serving more than 20 years for the murder of George Floyd and for violating his civil rights.